Here is the Vianté electric kettle I got a month ago for Christmas. The temperature gauge is really messed up. So like I can press this power to be off. If I click on start, it automatically chooses that. Even if I hit green tea, it just wants to start up. If I don't press something else, it will automatically boil at the black tea setting, even if I don't want it to. You can see like I'm trying to turn it off right now. It doesn't even turn off. These buttons are just very... I don't understand the whole thing. See, now I can turn it off. So, the buttons, the temperature, you really don't know what temperature this water is at any point. Because there is no, type of digital thermometer or any type of thermometer on it to tell you the temperature of that water, now or ever. Definitely not worth $90. It looks nice, I like the lid. It's easy to take off. It's plastic. This part I'm not going to touch, but this inner circle does come off. It does have the detachable infuser, I would say for what I got, probably worth $60 tops. So there you are. I'm not going to return it because I don't want to go through that. And it is what it is. I'll use it till the end of its life, I guess. All right, there you go.
Okay, here's my kettle. This is the button I was talking about. It does not work. It worked once or twice. I normally drink an herbal tea, green tea, white tea. Herbal tea is supposed to be this lower temperature. Normally you press that and then you press this, and that does not work. You press the oolong tea and this, and it works. You can also press keep warm, which will keep it warm for you after it's all said and done. This button works. It's already heated up because I've already had tea today, but all the other buttons work. And all in all, I love this thing. I just wish that my herbal tea, white tea, green tea button worked because I drink a lot of these. But what I do is I pretty much just do the next closest one, wait a few minutes while I do something else, come back and drink it. It wasn't worth returning, and I still love it. I'm a little disappointed because these things aren't cheap, but overall, I think it's good. It doesn't take up too much space in my little corner that I have here, so I'm pleased.
So I'm doing my Amazon review on my electric tea kettle. It is by Vianté, and it has about 5. You have your power button, and then you have your fast boil black tea, French press, Oolong tea, green and white teas, and then you have a warm option to keep your tea warm, or coffee, whatever. I like it. I just tried it out for the first time. I powered it on and poured my water in there and used the fast boil so that way I can boil my, let my tea sift in it and the filter part of it. And I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 hours before I drink it in detox. But I am loving this because it's my favorite color, rose gold. So it's like a rose gold and black. I like the color of it. I love how fast it operates, and it's definitely a 10-10. Matter of fact, I'm gonna say 1,010. But definitely go get you one, guys, and you won't regret it.
This is my initial getting it out of the box and setting it up. I'm running it this way first to kind of, clean it the first time. And it's so nice. To start it, I get the desired temperature, which is the one blinking is the black tea, the highest one. And then you hit that start button right there. It beeped once when you start it. It's going to beep when it's done. This is a beautiful unit. And I went on YouTube and watched a couple of videos on how to start it up and everything, because the booklet, I can read the booklet, but I like to see stuff too. But I believe I'm going to enjoy this very much. I'm a new loose leaf tea drinker, and I'm very happy with this purchase.
I love it that it's small and doesn't take up a lot of space. This is the insert. If you want to make tea, you can make tea. I've even made coffee in it, and it was great. I'm loving this little kettle, and this is the sound that it makes. You have all these different settings, so it's great.
Very good kettle. I love it, this kettle. Very fast boiling, and I'm very happy. Thank you.
So what's the